Good morning guys! It is Monday and hindi pa ako natutulog kasi hindi ako makatulog, hindi ako inaantok. So I just decided, you know what? I'm just gonna continue on with my day. Hindi lang ako dito lang sa bed kasi hindi ako inaantok. I'm uploading my vlog. Kahapon pa yung nag-start mag-upload and it's still at 600 minutes remaining pa rin. But yeah, that's my weekly vlog 8. And I'm sorry if I'm squinting. It's just so blurry. I can't see. I received my BDJ box yesterday and I'm so happy. So it's right here. I already did a video on this because I just was so freaking excited. Na-review ko yung clip ko kanina. It's not Monday. Today is Tuesday, oh guys. Bakit kayo iniisip na Monday? Anyway, I'm just cooking a rice. Nandun na yung rice ko. And I will cook eggs and tuyo. Kasi I love eggs and tuyo. And I will put tomatoes and onions sa egg ko, which is right here. Na-slice ko na yung onion at saka yung tomato. Tapos yung mga egg nandyan na. Ilalagay ko na siya dyan later. 2 eggs, merong tomato at saka onion. Yung 3 wala kasi ayaw ng 2 kapatid ko. Tapos ko na lutuin yung egg. Tuyo naman. So this. And then may isang klase pa ng tuyo na sa ilalim. But yeah. Hi guys! It's gabi na. Tuesday pa rin ngayon. Siguro malapit na mag 7. And I will be using my Kojisan Face Lightening Cream. Malapit na siya maubos. Like, look at that. I don't use this every night. Na-mention ko na to nung ni-haul ko to But I don't use it every night kasi nakakalimutan ko siya. I'm wearing a long sleeve top. This one that I got from Forever 21. It has a puppy. It's so cute. Kasi medyo malamig. Kaninang umaga before ako matulog kasi nga 'di ba 7 na ako natulog. Sobrang lamig kanina kasi naka-blanket talaga ako ng bonggang-bongga. Ito yung mga bet ko na weather yung malamig, tsaka umuulan kasi ang sarap matulog. Pero sana naman walang bagyo. Hi guys! It is now super gabi na ng Tuesday. It is actually 1 minute na lang magta-12 na. And I'm watching PBB yesterday's episode ba to? Yeah, I believe so. And pinost ko siya kasi iboboto ko si Jimboy. Anyway, I will do shout out. Shoot, nakalimutan ko na tuloy yung shoutout ko. Wait, tingnan ko muna sa phone ko. Okay, so yung shoutout goes to It's Pretty Marie or Marie. Marie, kasi M-A-R-E-I Please let me know if I pronounce it right. And then also to Erickson. Nakalimutan ko yung last name mo, but Erickson is the name. So, hi! Good morning, guys! It is Wednesday, mga 8:30 na. I woke up early kasi sakit ng ulo ko. So, my headache woke me up. I slept around almost 4 na ng gabi. Ng umaga kanina. Yeah, but ngayon wala na yung headache ko. So, part of it as well was yung mga aso namin. Sobrang ingay nila kasi dumating yung labandera namin. Yung tagalaba kasi namin, bago siya. I mean, hindi siya bago, but nawala siya for a long time tapos bumalik siya. And yeah, we're happy na she's back kasi siya yung paborito naming tagalaba as in she really gets the work done. And talking about getting work done, I will tutupiin ko yung mga or hindi naman necessary na tutupiin ko siya, but I will get all ito yung damit para ready na for the new labang damit. So yeah, I will do that right now. It's all here. I will just remove the hangers para magamit ni ate. Dito ako sa tindahan. I'm having my coffee at saka yung bread. Yummer! Hi guys! I will film a makeup look. I'm not sure if this is going to be my final look pero magpa-practice ako ngayon, but while nagpa-practice i-film ko kasi baka maganda naman yung resulta, diba? Anyway, I will show you guys the stuff that I have in here. So, ganito ginagawa ko. I mean, actually ngayon lang ako nag-start na gawin to. So, nilalagay ko sa shoebox lahat ng feeling ko kailangan ko. I got this from Prettyangelshoppe. I will leave the link down below if you guys want to get this. I haven't tried the brushes yet. Ito yung brushes na kasama. And isang malaking fan brush na nasa labas. So, wala dito yung fan brush. I'm not gonna use everything. Lagay ko lang yung feeling ko gagamitin ko. And then the rest of my brushes are here, especially the face brushes. And I have like a wipe right here na actually ginamit ko na because I was watching eyeshadows. So I will do like a daytime makeup look. It's actually a collaboration with another YouTube guru. I will go ahead and set up my camera and stuff, and I will start filming. Oh yeah, I need to change my top, but yeah. I just finished filming. It took me almost 1 hour to film because I did like a talk through, and then ang dami-daming maingay, may aso, tapos yung tagalaba pa namin umaakyat siya dito, and humihinto ako kapag umaakyat siya dito kasi but I'm done finally. This is the makeup look, you guys. I do not know when that will be uploaded yet. I still have so many videos that I need to edit. May dalawang reviews pa ako na kailangan ko i-edit. Tapos ito, tapos yung glamour, no, not glamour box, my BDJ box. Tapos yung July favorites ko uploading na. It should be up tomorrow. Yeah, right. Yeah, tomorrow. And then may isa pa eh. Parang yun lang ata. But yeah, I'm actually really happy on how this makeup look turned out. Like, I wasn't expecting this. I wasn't expecting that I know how to do this. Like, I'm just so happy. But yeah, I will go ligo na kasi sobrang init na. Yummers! 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 Burger Junction! Yummers! Wow, sunog-sunog ito ah.
Ata, Paul, man taon to eh. Hindi ko na be.
Hi guys! Hindi pa ako naligo. Malapit na mag-8. Again, hindi pa ako naligo. I'm watching my July favorites kasi kaka-upload ko lang. It is scheduled to be published bukas. So yeah, hindi pa ako naliligo kasi I took a nap. Kasi sobrang pagod ko kanina kasi nga 'di ba yung tulog ko, mga 3 oras na yung tulog ko. And yeah, napagod ako, so I took a nap and di pa ako naliligo. But I will go ligo later. Yeah, I just need to make sure na okay yung July favorites video ko. Good morning guys! It is Thursday and malamig! Malamig! Oh yeah. Anyway, I will go get coffee. Balloons! Alright! Balloons! Alright! Kel! Guys, so, I was editing my video, tapos bigla akong tinawag ni mama, as in, lakas talaga yung boses niya, Russell! So, I went downstairs, and you guys, look at that. Oh! Ang daming nail polishes. Kasi yung kaibigan niya, binibenta sila. So, obviously, used na sila. And sobrang mumura lang. And I was just like, oh my gosh. Parang may mga 20 nail polishes ata. Tapos, kinuha ko 11. As in, super mumura lang. But, yeah. Alam kasi ni mama na sobrang addict ako sa mga nail polish. So, sabi niya, tingnan mo to. And then I was like, heavens! Good morning! Super lakas ng ulan. I will go get... No, hindi morning ngayon. Hapon na ngayon. Kagigising ko lang. Mga 30-40 minutes ago. I will go get lunch. Lunchtime, that's my rice. And then my ulam is, what's that? Chop suey. And ang sarap din sana nito. Kaya lang mamaya na, ano ba to? Parang adobo to sa Tagalog. Humba yung tawag namin dito sa Cebu. But yeah, I'm so excited. I'm just gonna heat it up kasi kanina pa to eh. Heating up! I can't wait. I'm starving. Tapos na! Today's drink will be Vitamilk. Wait, natapon ko ata. Vitamilk, yan. I'm now removing my nail polishes kasi ipipaint ko siya tomorrow. I usually paint my nails on Saturdays kasi usually lumalabas kami ng Sunday. And I don't really like having like bare nails. Though hindi naman ganun kasama tingnan yung bare nails ko. Like hindi naman siya yellow. And my trick of not having yellow nails actually is I don't put this. Ano tawag ba dito? Basta itong ganyan kasi nagtitint siya sa ano mo, sa nails mo, kaya siya nagiging yellow. I'm not gonna touch my toenails kasi last week kinulayan ko na yon. And again, I paint my toenails once every 2 weeks. Yung toenails ko kasi hindi naman siya nag-chip ng agad-agad. Yung fingernails lang kasi nga, diba? Ito yung madalas na nagagamit. And hindi ko pala nakita sa inyo before ko siya tinanggal, but nag-chip na siya. Yan, ng konti. I actually do not know what color I am going to use for tomorrow kasi ang dami kong nail polish na hindi pa nagagamit. Like this one, this is from Can Make. It's a really nice light green color. I really want to try that one, kaya lang ang dami ko pang like this one from Revlon. I also want to try. It's a really nice like settle pink color. And also I want to try this blue one as well from Billy Cosmetics. Yan yung mga nail polish na nabili namin sa kapitbahay namin kahapon, as in ang dami, 11. May nag-request ng how I take care of my nails video. Okay, so yung ginagawa ko is literally tinatanggal ko lang yung nail polish. I let my fingers rest for at least a day. So, gaya ngayon, bukas ko na siya ipipaint para huminga naman yung nails ko. And then, sometimes, I trim it. And I don't touch my cuticles. Hindi ko siya tinatanggal. Minsan, super minsan ko lang siya tinatanggal pag feeling ko parang sobra na siya. And kasi napapansin ko, kapag, yes, I got it! Napapansin ko kasi na kapag tinatanggalan ko siya ng cuticles like every week or every time na nag-groom ako ng nails ko, na mas dumadami tuloy yung cuticles, so hinahayaan ko na lang siya. It doesn't deserve like a whole video just talking about my nails kasi wala naman akong something special na ginagawa sa nails ko. Like, remove lang talaga the nail polish, let it rest for at least a day, and then paint it again. And yeah, also, hindi ako naglalagay ng ganito. And hindi ko nga alam kung bakit nandito to eh. Hindi naman namin ginagamit to. I file my nails kapag tinitrim ko siya. This is a nail file that I got like, oh my gosh, years ago from Forever 21. Hi guys! Katatapos ko lang i-edit yung yung e.l.f. BB cream review ko. It will be up. Nandito yung lista ko eh. Kasi kailangan ko sa yung ilista. So my e.l.f. BB cream review will be up August 7. BDJ box bukas, August 3 yung simple makeup na hindi ko pa alam kung ano ita-title ko. Yeah, I will go ahead and take a shower na because I need to take a shower na. Nandito pa rin yung Cetaphil cleansing bar ko. Plano ko, ikakat ko siya into smaller pieces, but I'm not gonna use it like now. Kasi hinihintay ko na maubos yung W2 cleanser ko. Yun yung ginagamit ko ngayon sa face ko. I like the Cetaphil moisturizers. I'm pretty sure I will like that as well. I mean, I hope I will like that. I got that from my BDJ box. But yeah, I will go ligo na. I'm not gonna basa my hair. That's why it is nakatali. Cooking eggs! Medyo malayo ako kasi tumatalsik. But yeah, 4 na yan dyan. May 2 pang natitira. Hi guys! It is Saturday and I just got my package from Hermosa shop. So I'm going to unbox this. Can you see me? Can you see me? Can you see me? She gave me a note which I actually already read. This smells so good. I actually am planning to use this now. So buti na lang dumating siya. And also, I need to haul this. Yeah, together with the stuff that I got from Prettyangelshoppe kasi hindi ko pa na-haul yun. She gave me 2 soaps. So, we'll see. These are whitening soaps, by the way. Yung ginagamit namin ngayon na soap is yung from Koji-san. 2, yung original, yung orange, at saka yung anti-aging nila na yung white yung color. And I don't know if pumuti ako or whatever. Yun yung ginagamit ko kasi yun yung gamit talaga namin na sabon. And gusto ko yun kasi ang bilis niya bumula. So, she gave me the Hermosa Superior Whitening Soap. She also sent the Mulberry Blend Intense Whitening Soap as well. I'm excited to use these. I'm not sure which one should I use though. Maybe the Superior Whitening Soap. I'll use this today. So I'm just gonna cut it into small pieces. Yun yung ginagawa ko sa soap din namin ngayon, yung Koji-san. Kasi sayang siya kapag, oh my god, napunit ko siya, shit balls. I need to ask her kung magkano to. Kasi hindi ko alam, wala akong idea kung magkano tong sabon na to. Napaka-intense ng amoy niya. Oh, okay. Okay, hindi ko talaga ito maamoy kasi may ano pa. Wait, ano nga ulit yung sabi dito? Lightens dark spots, hyperpigmentation. Ang dami-dami kong dark spots, yung mga singit. Kasi hindi naman talaga ako maputi, morena ako. And yung mga singit-singit ko dyan, may item yan. But, you know, ganyan lang talaga yung singit ko. Inborn na yan sa akin, na dark talaga siya, dyan. But, it's okay, ganyan yung kulay ko eh. But if this helps, then that would be great. So I'm just gonna cut it into pieces, which you guys cannot see. Konti lang muna ikakat ko kasi i-roll ko pa to eh. So, magkakat lang ako ng gagamitin ko later. Wow! Ang ano niya, what do you call that? Ano bang tawag doon? Parang madali siyang ikat, so hindi siya matigas. Hindi talaga ako marunong mag-Tagalog. Hindi siya matigas, malambot. Hindi naman siya malambot, pero kapag kinat mo siya, parang madali lang siyang ikat. Yung kojisan kasi parang ginaganon-ganon ko pa. I will use the entire soap and just update you guys on my vlogs. Time to devour this. Super dami. Kailangan ko na itong tupiin ngayon kasi darating na sila ngayon, Sabado kasi ngayon. So, tapos hindi ko kwarto to. Kwarto ni Marlon to. Ayoko naman dumating siya. Tapos nandito to lahat. Magagalit yon. So, yeah, I need to finish this today. Hi guys! Katatapos ko lang tupiin. So, wala na siya. Okay na. And before ko tanggalin, gusto ko lang ipakita sa inyo na I'm using this. Do not know how to pronounce that. But it's the W2 Peel Off Mask Gel. It's supposed to be like all over face mask. Kaya lang ginamit ko siya dito lang sa ilong ko kasi ang dami-dami kong blackheads. Actually, this is already the second time. Nasaan ba yung na-peel off ko na? Dinala ko yun eh. And nawala. Shoot, nasaan na yun? Basta, nilagyan ko siya kanina. Oh, ito. Tinanggal ko na siya. Hindi niyo makikita talaga yung mga natanggal ko. Pero konti lang. And na-notice ko medyo manipis. So, linagyan ko siya ulit, medyo makapal na. Kasi pagtanggal ko nito, meron pa rin ako nakikitang blackheads. Ang dami-dami ko. Dami-dami kong blackheads. Ang dami ko na nagamit na blackheads remover. Walang nagwo-work so far. I mean, yeah, nakakatanggal sila ng mga 3, 4. But I want like, you know, as in lahat talaga matanggal. I know that's impossible. Pero, I'm hoping that this one will work. Kasi so far, ito na ata yung, nakakuha siya ng mga 5. 5 ata. That's super konti pa rin. Natry ko na to sa face ko and sobrang sakit niya. Lalo na kapag dito o malapit sa buhok and sobrang sakit niya tanggalin. Sa ilong, surprisingly, hindi siya ganun kasakit. Like, wala lang. Compared sa ibang nose strip na nagamit ko na sobrang sakit talaga pag pinil off mo na siya. This one, hindi ganun kasakit. But for all over the face, masakit siya. But yeah, tatanggalin ko na siya later. Nandito ako kasi naka-charge yung phone ko. Hi guys! Katatapos ko lang maglinis ng kusina. Grabe, nakakaloka. Anyway, natapos ko na i-paint yung nails ko. And ito yung kulay na ginamit ko. It is from Revlon. It is in the shade Raisin Rage. If it focuses at all. There, Raisin Rage. Para siyang, ganito yung kulay niya sa ako ko. And then, sa ring finger ko, I did an accent nail. I used the Sally Hansen in the shade, I actually do not know. Wala siyang pangalan, but it looks like that. It's actually really, really pretty. I really, really like it. Parang super sparkly niya. Good morning, guys! It is Sunday, and we will go to the city. Yeah, may kailangan akong puntahan. And yeah, I will just show you what I'm wearing today. I'm wearing this top that I got from Shein side. Tapos yung shorts ko from Forever 21. And then I will just be wearing my sandals na nakuha ko sa Gaisano. And then my purse. And maingay kasi may ginagawa sila papa. But yeah, on my face, I posted a picture on Instagram on what's on my face. So yeah, Lego. Hinihintay na namin si Miss. Ay, nako. Lagi na naman siyang hinihintay. Tapos na kami lahat. Siya naliligo pa ako. Diba, bongga?
Di ba, Jay? I-vlog.
Hindi naka-shawarma with cheese.
Para?
Duha ka noodles. Ay, tulo ka. Shawarma with cheese. Duha ka noodles.
Wala.
Di ba po ito siya nung
Kinsa?
siya.
Siya?
Kamunggol na na. Thank you! Hi guys! We just got home. I'm looking for my power bank. Hiniram yun ni Miss kanina. Nawala. Ewan ko kung nasaan na. Good morning guys! It is Monday and I will have lunch. Morning pa rin ngayon kasi hindi pa 12. But I have my rice right here. Pork. And this, I actually do not like it, but I'm just gonna eat it kasi feeling ko kulang to eh. But yeah, I'm trying, okay? I'm trying to be on that healthy side. For my drinks, hindi ko pa alam kung anong iinumin ko. Nag-grocery shopping kami kahapon and my mom got choco shake from Vitamilk. Someone said this is really good, parang ano daw, chucky. So I'm excited to try that. But I also got a good start from Quaker, the banana cream and vanilla thing. Vanilla malt. So I do not know, should I go for Quaker or Vitamilk? Or meron din akong ano dito, pineapple juice. Ito nga pala yung mga napamili namin kahapon. So, si mom nagbayad nito. So, I just got this like tissue to go refill pack 4 rolls. That's from the brand Tissue. And then this Kojisan face lightening cream kasi I ran out of mine. Looks like that. And yeah, I just got that. And this one I got from what do you call that? National Bookstore. So basically, may 4 na pieces of wood siya inside. Tapos you just need to like assemble it to form into these shapes right here. I'll show you later kasi mahirap siya i-open. And then I also got this parang wrapper lang siya kasi I will wrap my organizers into this wrapper thingy. So meron siyang mga hearts and all that. And bumili din ako ng washi tape. I was actually originally looking for washi tape. Kaya lang, wala akong nahanap na washi tape na makakapal. So, ganito lang. So, I'm just thinking I will wrap it with this and then just design it with this or something like that. And then this, I got the eye white moisturizer and then itong lalagyan ng soap para sa bathroom ko. And then this one, actually, you can put in here. Kasi meron siyang ganito, suction. So, I'm thinking of putting that in there. I actually don't know. And then I also got this one na bala kong lagyan ng mga bagay-bagay na kailangan kong i-haul. Like, not this one kasi ilalagay ko to dito. But we'll see. Okay, I'm going to cut a portion of this whitening soap again kasi I ran out of that small portion na nakat ko before. Yung ganun kaliit na portion, 2 liguan lang siya. So, yeah. And hindi siya mabula. Hindi siya ganun kabula. Nako-compare ko siya sa Koji San na sabon ko kasi nga yun yung ginagamit kong sabon. But, yeah. Compared to Koji San, hindi siya ganun kamabula. And yung seller, sabi niya sa akin, ganun talaga yun dahil daw sa mga active ingredients. But yeah, sabi niya magpi-peel off daw yung skin ko ng konti, like micro-peeling lang. But I haven't noticed that yet. So again, 2 liguan ko pa lang siya na-try. We'll see kung kailan. Nakalimutan ko, sinabi niya sa akin kung ilang days ko manonotice yung peel eh. But yeah, i-check ko yung message niya and then I will let you guys know later on. But I will just cut this. I usually cut all of it na, kaya lang kailangan ko pa tong i-haul. So magkakat lang ako ng maliliit na portions. Okay, so kinat ko pa siya ng ganyan kaliliit. So this one will be good for 1 paligo and same with that one. So yeah, kasi na-notice ko nung ginamit ko siya nung ganun, nung pataas, notice ko na madali siyang mag-break. So pag grab ko talaga sa skin ko, nag-break na siya into 2. So I decided to just break it in two para hindi na siya ma-break mamaya pagligo ko. So, yan. Again, one paligo for each. I'm just gonna leave this one here kasi mababasa lang to dun. So, ito gagamitin ko mamaya. Mag-film sana ako ng haul, kaya lang ang lakas ng ulan, hindi niyo ako maririnig. So, I'm just going to clean my room. Let's do something productive. I will try this Dove Oxygen and Nourishment Conditioner. Nakuha ko to sa BDJ box ko. Yung conditioner na gusto ko lang talaga sa buhok ko, yung cream silk at saka yung Tresemme conditioner. Other conditioners I've tried, I didn't like. So, I'm gonna try this one out and see. I actually don't think I will like it. Napakanega. I don't think makaka-film pa ako today kasi nga umuulan na naman. Hi guys! Okay, so katapos ko lang maligo. Okay naman yung conditioner. Kaya lang, yung consistency lang niya, parang hindi ganun ka-thick. Parang hindi siya slippery. I don't know if you know what I mean. Pero kapag nilalagay mo siya sa buhok niya, parang wala lang. So, kailangan mong damihan kasi nga parang wala lang. Pero okay naman. Hindi naman matigas yung buhok ko ngayon. So, yeah, it's okay. I'm not gonna buy it for myself though. It's good that I've tried it for free, but no, not really for free. I still paid for it. Again, it's from my BDJ box. But no, I'm not gonna buy it. 115 ata yung isa nito. No. Okay, so ito itsura ng, anong pangalan nito? Brain Challenge, Test Your, ano ba ito? Wala siyang pangalan. Brain Challenge lang yung sabi. Yeah, wala siyang pangalan. But yeah, it has 4 wood thingies like so. And ipo-form mo lang siya into these. Pinili ko to kasi marami siyang challenges. So 4, 8, 12. Basta marami. And yeah. May nasolve akong isa. Ito oh. Yan. Yeah. 2 na. Ito. Straight lang. 3! Hi guys! It is alauna na ng umaga. So, ano na tayo ngayon? Tuesday na tayo ngayon. My gosh, kailangan kong gumising ng maaga mamaya. But, I'm editing my vlog. Kasi, nung tinransfer ko siya ganina, sobrang haba ng clips. Umabot ng 1 oras. So, I was like, what the heck? Ano ba yung pinag-vlog ko? Umabot ng 1 hour. But, ngayon na-vlog ko, na-edit ko na siya. It's at 25 minutes right now. So, I'm just gonna end the vlog today. Anyway, Tuesday na din naman ngayon. Yeah, thank you so much guys for watching. I really appreciate kayo lahat. As in, sobra yung mga nagko-comment sa mga videos ko. You guys are the best. But, yeah, I will go ahead and continue editing this, save this, and upload this as soon as possible kasi alam ko matagal siya matapos mag-upload kasi mahaba siya. So yeah, talk to you guys later or tomorrow. Bye guys!